The HeartHero pads come in a box. So all you do is you open up the box, and inside is full instructions on how to install the pads. And if you pull on here, you can just literally open up the main pad cartridge, and then it just comes in a bag, and that's the pad cartridge that you'll put into the unit. So just to show you how it comes out, so just literally from this side here. Now, just temporarily with this, I've disconnected the batteries, just otherwise it will make lots of noise when we're trying to demonstrate it. Slide the pad cartridge out by pulling the handle. And then on the side here, you've got a plastic clip, and you literally just unclip that. And you can take the old used pads away, or if they're out-of-date pads, you can take them away. And if you pull too much on this, you see the cabling is all connected behind these rubber bands. You can simply just pop that back in again. So to put it back correctly, just line it up on the first side here, and then this clip just goes in here. So just push it down until it's clipped in place. If there's any problems with it, the unit will tell you if there's a fault with the pad connection. Just make sure that's pushed firmly in place. And then just want to take the spare wires, just tuck it inside. And then you can literally just take the pad cartridge, slide it back in place. And then once it's slid back in place, it will click in place, and then the pads are ready to go. Now, just worth mentioning also that on the actual outside of the box, there is a barcode with all the relevant information about the pads, like the expiry dates and serial numbers. And on the actual pads themselves, you'll also see that information. So if you literally just take it out of the packet, you can also see in here the actual information for those pads. So you can make sure that you don't get different pads mixed up, or if you want to keep a log of this information, you can write those details down. The pad's date is quite important if you're registering on the circuit, because you will need to put down the expiry dates of the pads on the circuit if you're registering it as a community AED.